Okay, welcome back. This is part 2 of our May box for the Diamond Painting Club by Whim. And in this one, we're going to look at the 2 canvases that I got. So stick around. Alrighty, so I'm going to struggle a little bit. We've taken the plastic off this one, but this is the Dragon, Warrior Woman and a Dragon. It's 35 colors. Gives me quantity of roughly how many I should need. Oh, this is going to have a lot of 310.
It's gonna have a lot of black.
A lot of 310. That's okay. I should be used to that by now.
She gets too much diamond paintings with a lot of 310.
Or just...
Well, the one I'm working on right now doesn't have any 310s, but it has a lot of 823 and 939 and 37 something and 312 and
colors that are close to black but not quite black.
Close to black but not quite black is a good descriptor. And these appear to be something new for us we've never had.
Diamond painting?
It's not blank. This is a double-sided adhesive one. All the ones we've had have been poured glue, so we've been able to see right through the cover. But a lot of them do come double-sided adhesive. And it came with a foam roller.
Yeah, wow.
That's good. That's good stuff. Why? Leave the foam roller alone.
This exists.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom you back out. Why? Okay, so I'm just pulling this back so that I can see what's going on here.
It's not even more.
No, I don't smell it more. I smell it the same. I still think it's just from the magnets.
Yeah.
If you did not catch the first part, I will link it up in the eye. You can go back and watch that one and then watch this one. But we had some magnets, and for some reason there's a weird sulfur smell to them.
I just didn't know what they were made
Oh,
of.
I've got a little bit of the adhesive coming out where it's overlapping. That's not good. I have not had any double-sided adhesive ones, so this is all new territory for me.
Ooh.
But here she is. It's a dragon with a female rider. She's carrying sort of like a halberd. It could be a trident. It's hard to tell here. Is this square or round? I don't know.
It looks square.
So let me get this back down here. What is under?
Looks to be both. I'm taking a look at the drills, and it looks to be both round.
The canvas looks pretty clear. It's not Diamond Art Club clear, but
It's good.
and let's get this side. I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting the cover up without just chill. That's probably for the scratch.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It talked about a wooden pencil, so that's probably for the scratch things. And I'm having trouble pulling the cover up without pulling up the glue. I'm clearly not used to double-sided adhesive. There we go. The reason I'm doing this is to try and relax the canvas so that it'll lay flat, and because I want to take a look at the drill field here. It is good and sticky.
It's a little dry.
I don't think I like double-sided adhesive much.
Yeah, generally the nicer ones are poured glue, but that's not a guarantee. Yeah, that's relaxed it nicely. You can see some of the detail in the dragon. There's the haft of the weapon. There's her leg there. I'm going to bring it in so you can see the canvas clarity. Tighten. Don't get sick. See? You can easily see the stuff there, and now that I have a light pad, that'll also help that. So I'll wide back out again.
Try not to get sick.
And we'll put the cover back down. I feel like a horror movie. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out.
Horror movies do that? I wouldn't know.
Some really low budget ones.
Yeah, I've
Okay.
never seen
So
I've
that's-
never seen even low budget horror movies.
That's because I have not shown you any. No, these are square. You can choose whether you want round or square when you buy these, and I literally said surprise me. So these are square and they're already bagged up. So I'm gonna go through and do an inventory, but I'm going to speed it up so that you're not having to
Wait for
wait for a bit.
hours.
So that's everything. They're all here, which is fantastic. That's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of these away. And I'm looking through these and I don't see any serious problems. There's a few minor dimples. Dimple's not a problem, concavity is a problem. But I don't see much in the way of trash. But that's something I will probably learn more about as I use them. And I'm not used to looking at square drills. This is actually the first square drill that's showed up.
Oh, I totally forgot that they were square drills.
Yep. So I'm going to stick the inventory sheet in here. Although the individual baggies do have the canvas number. No, they don't. They don't have a canvas number, so I want to make sure that I don't mix these up because I've got a lot of. I'm starting to get an actual stash. It's amazing. Okay, so that's relaxed actually quite nicely. Now let's look at this one. Oh, it's horsies.
Horsey.
Cameron would love it. Cameron,
It's horsies.
Cameron loves to go to a barn that has a lot of horses.
Caitlin,
What the heck?
put the Diamond Art Club box down. I know you're getting bored, but Jesus. If you're that bored, I have toilets that you can scrub. It says horsies with roses.
Aww. Can I help with you?
Maybe. I don't know when this is gonna get done. Just enough with the claiming things already.
Sorry, it's just all so beautiful.
They're all beautiful, and we will all get a chance to work on some stuff. Just chill. This is also 35 colors.
35, that's a lot.
Is, and like the other one, they were both in this plastic. Okay, and they're taped, and they're on foam rollers. They really do try.
I just found this sitting
Yeah,
over
that's
there.
one of the Diamond Dots kits. We have a mountain of kits now.
Like, we're not even kidding.
That That's fairly standard. Okay, so let's unroll this. I'm going to make sure that the camera is all the way out so we can look at the whole canvas.
With the foam roll. Ready for the foam
I'm a little concerned with the dragon and lady one that it might end up kind of pixelated and hard to see, but it's hard to tell just from the canvas.
Yeah.
Why do you have to play with the foam rollers? Nope, that's not safe.
Extended X-Acto blade or whatever they're called. I don't remember.
Okay. Well, I struggle to pull this cover up without yanking the adhesive up too. Well, I like the detail in the roses.
Oh, that's pretty.
Quit playing bubble wrap.
Quit playing with everything.
Me.
I think that would be better.
This is far too much excitement and distraction for
Caitlin,
my...
let me go play outside.
No.
She's not going to leave while we're doing this. Are you kidding?
Whoa, give me the wool.
I know that.
Go get a donkey.
Do not treat your sister like a dog. There's a lot of overlap of sticky on this.
Oh, I thought you could get around me. Then I realized.
Hang on. I have to bash some heads together. No actual heads were bashed. But there's one of the horsies with some roses. It's got some neat colors on it.
And it is round.
These are kind of wrinkled, but I don't see any bubbles or anything. So,
Probably wrinkled because of the roller.
they've been in transit and that sort of thing, so I don't see bubbles, I don't see rivers. I think they're fine that way. We'll see how they are by the time we actually get around to doing them, because, like I said, I'm actually getting a stash, and I'm not really a horse person, so
I like horses.
doesn't mean I won't do it, but
A couple of my favorite books are about horses.
Yeah.
That I think
you
came
guys are
from.
more
I think
unicorn.
came from our aunt, not from you.
Yeah, they came from Aunt Mel. Aunt Mel went through a big horsey phase. She still likes horses.
I like horses too. I want to learn how to ride them, but I know I'm going to end up with my blood.
And you're probably going to be allergic to them like you are cats and dogs.
Yeah, that's also not going to be fun, but the magic of allergy meds.
There's the other horse and the roses. Let's zoom in so you can see the drill field. Maybe. Nope, I'm on the wrong side for that.
Yeah, that should work.
Yeah, so it's still pretty good. Yes, you still smell it. It hasn't gone away. Zooming back out.
That's probably going to
Okay.
be okay and publish the whole world, even though I'll be like maybe 50.
Can you? Okay. Go find something else to do, guys. You're clearly bored out of your mind and don't want to be doing this, so just go find something else to do.
I'm not bored, it's just Caitlin is obnoxious.
Go sit with Daddy or clean your room. This is far too much waiting for Miss Caitlin. So, yeah, so this is 35 colors. These are rounds, so I got one of each. I'm far more excited about the dragon paint than the horse painting, but the horse painting is pretty too. And again, this is all baggied up. So again, I'm going to do an inventory. I think I'm actually just going to go through them number by number. And I will speed this up for you. them. They're all here. They're all good. Now they're advertising stretcher bars that they have. Cool. They're all here. They're all good. This is landscape, and it's round. The canvas is definitely sticky. I don't see any problems with the canvas. So all in all, this was a lot of stuff to get for about 40. Actually, it was probably 60 or 70 bucks. I will put the price for everything in the description. But this is going to be a lot of time spent on all this. So I'm actually quite happy about all of this. This worked out quite well because I have little projects for little people and I have some nicer paintings for me to do. So with this many people who need to be entertained, this I think will work out nicely for me. So thank you so much for joining me. That was the end. This is the end of part 2. If you missed part 1, it will be linked in the description. And thanks for coming along. Bye.